Okay, are we on? Yes. Welcome everyone. Bon dia. We'll have the Jetpack Compose trivia contest now. I hope that that this is the thing that gets you from the lunch and awesome weather outside. I'm quite stressed because I will use the new tool. You do not see it, and that's one of the first issues. Let me see if I can quickly resolve that. Where it is. So you will need a mobile phone to enter the contest. There will be 10 questions. Why it's not working? Okay, and now, okay. Can we, yes, all right. But now I can't click it. No, it's not good, sorry. I need to change the screen memory. Huh. Okay, now it's good. All right. So, if case of any troubles, let me know, but you should use this QR code to log in. We'll have 10 questions in this trivia, and they are sorted a little bit, by my judgment, from the simplest to the hardest. So I hope we'll have some small warm-up, and then we'll go to the funny part. But before we start, let's talk about prize. So the Droidcon organizers give me this awesome hoodie. Thank you. And this is, they have currently S, M, XL, and L sizes. So whoever wins it, you can go to their store and change it to your size. So we have 113 participants, I see, 14. So who is struggling now? Like who wants to be in the contest but didn't sign up yet? Any hands up? Because I want to start that thing. No? You guys? You wanted to participate? No? All right. So let's start that one. Oh yeah, awesome. Are we still growing? Guys, anyone still logging in? No? Okay, fast answers get more points. So which modifier node can use to conditionally add another modifier to the tree? Then, if, conditional, other. Which one can add conditionally another modifier to the modifier tree? So I started from the wrong question? Not simple at the beginning? Yes, and then is correct answer. Congratulations to 84 people that answered correctly, and the fastest was who? Shakira. Congrats. Nice. Let's see another question. So the second question is, which modifier node is not part of the Jetpack Compose core libraries? Layout, on-click, draw behind, blur. Which is not part of the core libraries? On-click, guys. All right, so let me explain that to you. There is no on-click modifier. The modifier is clickable that have on-click parameter. Come on, this is a trivia contest. All right, so now, what do we have here? Poofy, congrats, whoever you are. So the next question will be, and they're going from the easiest to the hardest one. So I wish you luck. Let's see. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the side effect? So it runs the block of code every time it's recomposed. It runs the block of code once when it enters the composition. It runs the code only when the specified key changes, or runs the block of code every time remove from the composition. Sorry. So the correct answer is it runs every time it's recomposed. The launched effect is run every time it is initiated or the key changes, and the disposable effect can be run when it is initialized and when it is disposed. So the correct answer was the first one. It runs block of code every time composable is recomposed. So do we have any change in the leaderboard? Probably. Yeah, Poof is still in the leader. Right. Nice. I do not see Shakira, though. All right. 130 participants. I like that. Next question is, in Jetpack Compose, which of the following is true about modifier layout? So it can only be used to measure child elements but not place them. It can be only used to place them but not measure. It can do both. It can do neither of them. It can place, measure, both, or none. Yes, correct. It can do both. It can place and measure the elements. Oh, I see some familiar faces here. Oh, Ed. Ed is winning now. And Poofy is second. Nice. We have 5 more to go, or 6. So let's keep it up. It will be more interesting now. Which composable is parent of the canvas? This one is tricky. Spacer, box, surface, or layout? Which composable is parent of the canvas? No. Guys, it's spacer. I will show you that in a second. Just after leaderboard, I think, there will be... Come on. Okay, new persons in the top 3. I like that. So, as you can see here, the canvas is actually a spacer with a modifier draw behind, which means theoretically everything can be a canvas, but in the core library, the canvas is a spacer. Next question, please. Let's build some excitement. Which is the correct order of composable phases? Draw, measure, position, create UI elements. Measure, position, create UI elements, draw. Position, create, measure, draw. Create, measure, position, draw. I saw on the Google I/O there were some Googles with funny t-shirts with those phases. So first, composable is creating the composables from the functions. Then it measures their size, so they know where to position each. Where is the parent, where is the child, what space do we have for child elements, and at the end, it draw. I see every question we have changes in leaderboards. I love it. Arthur, nice. New leader, Poof is running up, and Christian. Okay, 3 more to go, guys. It will be more interesting now. Which blend mode is not part of the Android graphics blend mode enum? Clear, XOR, minus, hue. Easy peasy. Everyone loves them, right? No? No one used them? I thought so. Minus. So clear is just no blend mode, but it exists. XOR is taking like minus from two composables. It takes the one that is interacted from both, intersect from both, and hue changes the color, and minus doesn't exist, which is tricky because plus exists. So sorry for that, but we need to change some things in the leaderboards, right? Oh, Shakira is still in the game. Arthur, nice. Poofy and Shakira on the third place. Let's see what we get now. So what you can see is just lorem ipsum text, and on that text I applied a blend mode, dist in, that fades out the text. And the thing is, to do that, you need to use the color that will blend in one layer as a color blend to that text. And the question will be how you transition from one color to another to have this fade out effect. It's not an easy question, I know. But those last two are super tricky. So, which brush color will give the vertical fade out effect? It's transparent to black, red to transparent, transparent to red, or black to red. So there is a text at the top, so first color, and at the bottom. Okay, so this is a red to transparent. And if you would like to know why, the dist in effect doesn't take into account colors at all, only alpha. So it doesn't matter if it's red, black, white, or whatever. It matters that the second color is transparent. So we go from visual area to non-visual at the bottom. So the red to transparent is correct answer, but it could be black to transparent, but I put the red to make it more tricky for you. So what do we have now? Anton going up a lot. So out of 10, Anton, yeah, jump into the 5th. Nice. One of the last questions is, as you can see here, we have 4 different prints. In launched effect of our whole composable, then we have a box, and the box has onPlaced method, function, modifier node. And then we have launched effect as a child, and then a box with onPlaced. And the question will be, what is the correct order of those prints? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, A, C, B, D, D, C, B, A, C, A, D, B. ACBD. So the composables are first created, so launched effect is run, and then they are measured from parent to child. So we have first launched effect A, then we have the second launched effect, which is C, and then we have first onPlaced, which is B, and the second onPlaced, which is D. And I presume we have some changes here. I see new names. Who is Ya? What is that? Christian at the top, and Arthur and Poofy. Now we'll have the last question. The hardest to answer. Let's go. Who will be the lucky winner? Think about it. Who has the fastest fingers? Let's see. All the answers were correct. I didn't want to, get into troubles here to those 12 Berliners or 8 British guys. So, who has the fastest fingers? Yeah, there are quite a lot of points. Do we have any change in the leaderboard? No, Christian is the winner. Show your face. Thank you all for attendance. I hope you learned something and laugh. And see you around on Droidcon Lisbon. Of course, this one is the best.